Is a vehicle safety inspection the same as an emissions test? If you have ever wondered about the differences between a vehicle safety inspection and an emissions test, you are not alone. Many people think they are the same, but they actually serve different purposes. Let's break it down clearly. A vehicle safety inspection is all about ensuring that your car is safe to drive. This inspection looks at key mechanical and safety components. Inspectors check the brakes, tires, lights, horn, and windshield wipers. They want to make sure everything is functioning properly. If something is not right, it could pose a danger to you or others on the road. On the other hand, an emissions test, often referred to as a smog check, focuses on the vehicle's exhaust system. This test measures the pollutants that come out of your car. It checks for harmful substances like carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, nitrogen oxides, and carbon dioxide. The goal here is to ensure that your vehicle meets the environmental standards set by your state. This helps reduce air pollution and keeps our air cleaner. In some states, both inspections are required, but they are still separate processes. The safety inspection is about road safety, while the emissions test is about environmental compliance. From the perspective of auto insurance, these inspections can have an indirect impact. A vehicle that passes a safety inspection is less likely to be involved in accidents due to mechanical failures. This can influence how insurance companies assess risk. Similarly, a vehicle that passes an emissions test may indicate that it is well maintained. Insurers often consider the overall condition of a vehicle when determining insurance rates. To summarize, the vehicle safety inspection checks if your car is safe to drive, while the emissions test checks if it meets environmental standards. Both may be required by state law, but they focus on different aspects of vehicle regulation. Understanding these differences is important for vehicle owners to stay compliant with legal requirements and ensure proper insurance coverage.